is Megan Patterson, and I am the founder and head of school for Worldmind Education. I came into starting this business as an educator, so didn't have a background in business, and was doing all of our bookkeeping manually, which at first was okay. I just had like a paper book. My dad is an accountant, so that helped a little. It was making sure that I was reconciling everything myself, but it was all done by hand. First, when we were really small, that was fine. But then as we started to grow, it started to become a lot more complex, and I really just needed help. And as we started to grow, being a nonprofit, we also needed to start, seeking out funding and applying for grants, where we really just had, all of our financials had to be in order. So that's how I found Sound Advice Bookkeeping, and they were instrumental in helping us get everything transferred over into a digital system, which took a lot of work off of me, and then also streamlined everything and makes everything a lot easier, especially when I have to pull reports as we're seeking out more and more funding as we continue to grow. I have several friends who are starting their own business now and are struggling with bookkeeping, as I know how that goes when you're first starting a business. So I have recommended, and I always recommend them first. And I would just say that their communication is amazing. They always get back to me right away if I need anything, are always willing to meet if something isn't going right so we can work it out. And then also our bookkeeper is, whenever I need anything, I can meet with her. She always makes time to schedule a call with me so that we make sure that we have everything in order. I absolutely trust both Allie and Jason. They have been instrumental to helping me grow my business. And so we use Sound Advice. I know they have a variety of different offerings with their business, and so we use them for a variety of different things. And everything that I have done with them has been top-notch, top of the line. Their communication is wonderful. They're always available if I need anything.